The location of the coolant temperature sensor is right here. Alright, just a little tab right here. Pull that back and pull it straight out. Alright. Alright, this is what I'm replacing with. Make sure the salesman gives you the right part. When I went there, they gave me one for a gas engine. I'm like, no, I need one for a diesel. This is a 1316. Compare the old part to the new part. On closer inspection, that appears to be a gasket of some sort. Okay, so I pushed that O-ring back in its original position, and now they're similar. Now we delicately let's reinstall that. Always going finger tight first. The aftermarket is a 19. Lines up perfect.